Hey, Dr. Steph and Dr. Brett. This is Tyson Gallus with Cache Valley SEO, or CVSEO. I talked with Brett the other day when I was over there getting adjusted at your guys' new place there. Super nice, by the way. And didn't have an opportunity to meet with you, Dr. Steph, but hopefully we can meet sometime here in the near future. I just wanted to shoot this quick screencast for you guys to kind of show you some tips and tricks and about some things you guys can do for your current website you guys have going on, and your SEO to kind of help you, give you guys a boost and give you guys some more web presence where you guys are at now, and also maybe influx of more customers too. So just kind of as you can see here, I'm going to jump right into it. We got your website pulled up. It looks really good. I don't know if this is built on a Wix platform or a WordPress platform. I think when I was talking to Brett, I think he says it was a Wix. Wix is a great way to start off. If I had my first tip, I'd actually try to see if we can get over to a WordPress site. WordPress is a little bit easier in the sense of it's a lot more customizable. It's kind of this industry standard for good solid websites, especially for SEO. And that's basically where you're going to see a lot of the people kind of coming in that way. So a good way to start. It looks really good. It's got kind of the vibe that you guys are going for here. I like it. For another little tip here is as you're going through, some more content on your homepage is always really good. That way you can work in some of those keywords that you want to be found for on Google. It's a good way to kind of add some more of that in, and that content will help make it a little bit easier as you're reading through. You can be found for those certain things, whether what you're wanting to be found for. It looks like obviously maternity, pediatrics type care is really important to you guys, so maybe just elaborate a little bit more on that, so that way you guys can have some more of those keywords in there. The next thing I kind of want to give some tips about is if we go over to like a Google page and we just type in chiropractors in Logan, Utah, you'll see ads up here at the top, which are good. They help out if they're done correctly. The thing I actually want to talk about is this just right here, and this is called the Google Map Pack. And the Google Map Pack is basically, you'll see on your phone, it always has like little call buttons right next to it when you're searching for things. I use it all the time, personally. But I just wanted to kind of tell you how you can get ranked up and that a little bit better. And how you do that is actually through citations. And citations are a name of a business, address, and a phone number. You go out and put those in either like Facebook, yellowpages.com, white pages, Chambers of Commerce, BBB. There's so many different places you can put those in out on the site. And the more the places you put those citations in, it's easier for you to rank in this. Sorry about that. The more area you can rank in this map pack area. So if you increase those citations, that'll help you basically rank easier in this area. And the other thing too as well that's also responsible for ranking in the map pack area is the GMB profile, which this is your guys' GMP profile. You guys got several pictures on there, which is really good, and hopefully all those pictures are also named correctly and tagged correctly and in Google My Profile, and that will help rank there too as well. And you guys have lots of reviews. That's the other thing here. And the GMB profile in the map pack area is good reviews, and you guys have several of those. Those are awesome. I'd keep going for those. That helps you rank for those. And as well, basically filling out everything in your Google My Business profile. Like you said, it looks like you guys got some description here, and just going through and maybe throwing a couple posts in there. And filling those things out in your Google My Profile it really helps. Basically, Google will see your profile and be like, oh, cool. We can rank you here because it's all completely filled out and they're active, they're using their account. So it's really, Google likes to see that. So, and then the last thing is kind of this thing area here, which is just the natural organic search when people are looking for chiropractors in Logan. As you see that, obviously you guys are not on the first page here. When we scroll down here, we'd love to see you guys in the #1 spot. So some tips really quick to kind of show you what you can do to do that is if this is our program called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is basically a tool we use to kind of just analyze the data that you can see from Google. Right now, this is your guys' website right here. We can see that on your guys' website, you guys have 17 backlinks and 7 referring domains. A backlink is basically something that's a site that's pointing back to you. It's a high authoritative site pointing back to you guys, showing that you guys are trying to basically have authority with Google. And more of those you have, the more authority you have with Google, and Google sees that as a good solid presence to rank. And with those, we can see you guys have 17 of those. You guys have 7 referring domains. You guys have about 45 keywords, and you guys have about 31 traffic. So that's not too bad. We'd love to help you guys see if we can increase those. And if you increase those, that would help you actually get on the first page of Google. And more likely, when you're on the first page of Google, people are going to see you rank there. So right now, the number one person basically here in Logan, that's a local business, is the Logan, Utah Chiropractor. Right now, they've got 23 backlinks, they got 50 referring domains, and as well, they've got about 62 keywords and 37 traffic. And so honestly, we could really help you guys beat those guys. Or even if you guys want to go out on your own, try to find these backlinks and then these referring domains and increase those amount. That would allow you guys to rank up quicker in Google and giving you guys more authority with Google. That would put you guys on the first page or even the first or second spot as you go do that. So, and that's honestly as simple as that. I know it sounds pretty simple, but doing that will allow you guys to be right here in the top portion of Google. So, like I said, I know the biggest thing is everyone runs out of time of the day when we're talking about all this stuff, and it's a lot of stuff to try to handle. But these are some tips if you guys want to give it a shot. If not, if you're running out of time of the day, we'd love to meet with you guys for a little bit and kind of see what your guys' plan and vision are, what you guys would love to go with. If you guys need to do that, my cell phone number is 801-885-3422. And as well, my name is Tyson Galovich. Brett has my number. We'd love to talk with you guys. We'll talk to you soon.